Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Wick scented oil warmers. So the one on the right is the advanced plug-in. This one here is their standard one. Now the advanced one has a low indicator light. It also has a scent light and a light up here to let you know. So this one has no lights in it whatsoever. You simply just plug it in. It's going to warm up the oil. You put it in there like that. It warms up the oil. And then it puts a scent out, and you can change how much it puts out by rotating this. More scent is the bigger drop. Rotate it this way, it puts out less scent. Now they both take the exact same Wick refills. It's got kind of the flat side on one side. You just push it in till you hear it click. Now the advanced, again, takes the same refill, push it in till it clicks, but it's got some lights in it. Again, they can both be plugged in, and make sure they're vertical, up and down. You don't want them sideways or upside down. This is how they should be plugged in into the wall. Now when you plug them in, they can be rotated so that they will eventually end up straight. Now there's a light down here and there's a light up here. So this light's going to come on, but then it's going to kind of go dim after a while. That light in the bottle or behind the bottle, it will turn red when it's time to refill. Now this light up here, it also goes dim after a while, but when you rotate this, it comes on. That's minimum, and that is maximum scent. Now this also has a 1 hour boost. So this is a button, even though you can't really physically feel it. When you press it, the lights are gonna start fading in and out. That's to let you know that you're in boost mode. So for 1 hour, this will put out more scent than normal. If I wanna cancel it, I can just press that button and it'll cancel it. And again, this one, you simply just plug it in. You can rotate it also, but there are no indicator lights to let you know when it's time to change, or up here, you just got to kind of look and see. Now when the bottles run out, they'll start to look like this. See how there's no liquid left in there? That's when it's time to change. Now when that turns red, you don't simply, you're going to pull the liquid out, but you also have to unplug it and plug it back in. That's going to reset that light. And then see how it's going to come on. Put your thing in there and you're ready to go. Now this one without the light says it gets about 45 days. This one does say it gets 60 days. And again, it has a fragrance boost, anti-fading, and a low refill indicator light. Now let's take some measurements. Height-wise, they're both the same, almost 3 3/4. They do stick out from the wall, a little bit different. That's about 2 inches. This one's almost 2.5 inches. And as far as width, yeah, they're both about 2 inches. This one might be a little wider. No, yeah, maybe a little bit. Now the one without the light consumes 1.7 watts. Now the advanced consumes 4 watts. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.